Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks. We are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with our good friend Chef Valerie from the OUTU School of Community Medicine. We also have a very special guest this time. This is Julie Bisbee. You're with TSET.
Yep.
You sponsor the program here, and we're going to put you to work this morning.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
She's the muscle. She's going to mix all this stuff up.
That's right.
All right, what are we making?
Okay, so we're making a creamy veggie dip. We really wanted to utilize all of the fresh vegetables that are available at the farmer's market, maybe in your home garden, but definitely at the grocery store. And so we're just going to use this Knorr veggie mix.
Classic.
So yes, it is. So you can make a soup with this, but also it has a dip mix on the back, or a dip recipe. And so originally it has mayonnaise and sour cream, but we're going to lighten it up and make it quite a bit healthier with some silken tofu.
Oh.
So if you would start just adding ingredients here, that's silken tofu. So be sure to get the one in the box that is the silken. That came right out, didn't it? Mm-hmm. And then we have some light sour cream and some light mayonnaise, much less than we would use in the way it's called for on the package.
So tell me why the tofu is the substitute.
So it's very low fat, but it's also very high in protein. Mm-hmm. So it's making it a lot healthier, and it's actually a little bit more, the ingredients are a little bit more than on the back of the package recipe, and so we're actually lightening up the sodium per serving too.
Does it change the flavor at all?
Not really. This was kind of one of our little trial recipes a few months ago, and there was some hesitancy on, but we really liked it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead.
Somebody's after my job this morning. She's doing so well, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get that going. And then we have some, so you would, if we had a little more time, you would really like stir the heck out of that and get it all nice and creamy together. And then we have some frozen spinach. So some cooked frozen spinach, that's good enough.
Yeah.
Good enough for TV, right? Okay, stir that all up together, and then some green onions. Okay, and so this is a great way to really utilize all of these fresh vegetables. Okay, so the finished product is a very creamy veggie dip.
Look at this. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Show everybody right there. This is something the kids could do too, right?
Oh, absolutely.
Just give them a fork or a spoon and let them start stirring.
Right.
And can we give it a taste test?
I please do.
Julie, do you want to give this a little taste test
Yeah.
as well? You want to grab a cucumber with me here and we can give it a quick little test?
This is such a classic family favorite at my parties.
Oh, good.
And that's good. Oh,
Great.
Very good. Green onions, nice. Popping.
beautiful. All right, you're going to find this recipe and all of our other recipes on our website at kjrh.com. Julie, thanks for coming in, and Chef Val, as always, thank you.
Thank you.